Tea comes from the plant Camellia sinensis, and there are two main methods of manufacturing tea: CTC and orthodox. CTC is produced by the cutting method employed to produce granular teas with thick, strong fusion. This form of manufacture is a relatively recent development over the past 50 years. The orthodox teas follow the traditional form of manufacturing and, by the rolling process, produce twisty, leafy tea with lighter and more flowery taste. Green tea, oolong tea, white tea, and the more popular black teas are produced in the orthodox way. And there are 5 main processes which turns the green tea into made tea after they are plucked from the tea bushes. Only the young tender shoots are skillfully hand-plucked as soon as they're ready. Approximately 4 to 5 kilograms of green leaf is required to make 1 kilogram of made tea. These 5 production processes are withering, rolling and roller breaking, fermentation or oxidation, drying, and sorting or grading. Withering. The primary aims of withering are to reduce the moisture content of the leaf and to soften it so it becomes pliable and will withstand the subsequent process of rolling without breaking up into flakes. Additionally, controlled moisture extraction from fresh leaf is required to activate a series of biochemical reactions. These enzymatic changes are ultimately responsible for the production of various biochemicals desired for achieving quality parameters in made tea. Approximately 65% of the water content in the green leaf is removed at this stage and will be done over a period of 16 to 18 hours. Rolling and roller breaking. The purpose of rolling is to achieve the final curved appearance and to break the leaf cell walls so as to release essential oils to start a chemical reaction in the next step, which is fermentation or oxidation. The rolling process is what releases the color, the strength, the aroma, and the taste of the liquid we ultimately pour into our cups. In this process, the green color of the leaf turns a brown coppery color. During the process, the leaf's juices spread themselves over the leaf where they dry and remain in a soluble state. Roll breaking has 2 primary objectives: to remove twisted leaf off the rolled shoots that clogs and impedes circulation and facilitate further twisting action on the large leaf. Additionally, it also cools the leaf, which would have risen in temperature during the process of rolling. Fermentation or oxidation. Next, the leaf is thinly spread in a cool, well-ventilated room to slowly oxidize or ferment. This stage, in which the flavonols combine with oxygen in the air, develops the flavor as well as changes the color from green to brown over a period ranging from 2 to 4 hours, mainly depending on ambient temperature and leaf pedigree. The experienced tea maker judges the extent of quality development from the fragrance progressively expressed by the leaf at regular intervals. This sensory judgment is critical to the quality of the infused liquor or taste. Drying. Once optimum oxidation has been achieved, the rolled leaf is taken for firing or drying to arrest further fermentation by deactivating the enzymes and to remove almost all of the remaining moisture in the leaf. The tea dryer is a chamber which exposes the oxidized leaf to hot, dry air at regulated, varying temperatures within its parts for durations of 20 to 30 minutes. A good fire reduces moisture content in the final product to about 2%, resulting in crisp, dry tea. Sorting and grading. The last operation in this long process of manufacture is the sorting and grading of the fired tea. Its importance cannot be overstated, as it is here that the value of the final product is often determined. The separation of tea particles into grades, that's different shapes and sizes, is required so as to conform to trade standards. This process can be long and tedious, particularly if a large number of grades are made. This is particularly so in low-grown areas which can have as many as 12 to 15 grades. Dried tea is sorted into different grades by passing them over a series of vibrating screens of different mesh sizes.